Hello guys and welcome to this video. We're gonna go over the steps that we follow in order to set up your JSON Parser Action Automation for workflows inside your agency. Execute actions directly from the workflow. So let's get the ball rolling. Inside your agency, you go at the app marketplace. You search for the app, JSON. There you go. We go at install. We select the sub account where we want the tool to be installed. Sub account 1. We continue. We go and allow and install. We choose the plan. We confirm. You automatically open this new window in order to copy the custom menu link. You copy, you make sure it's copied. You switch back to the agency view in order to create the custom menu link. So we go at settings, custom menu link, create new. On this form, first off, you can select an icon for your custom menu link. We have different icons here. When you're done, scroll down, you type a name for your custom menu link. How do you want to name your custom menu link? And here you paste the custom menu link URL that you copied. When you're done, you scroll down, you select the account where you want all your tools to be available, and here you can choose whether you want to give access to one user or to all users. Scroll down and you make sure you save. The next step is to switch to the sub account in order to connect the tool. So you search for your custom menu link. Remember when you ask you to type a name for your custom menu link. We decided to name our custom menu link Greg Apps. Let's go on Greg Apps. We have apps available and connected apps. So let's search for JSON. It doesn't pop up here because the app is already connected. Okay. So let's go on connected apps and let's pretend that the app's not connected yet. And so I'm going to show you how to get it connected. In order to get the tool connected, we go to setup. And the only information required in order to get the tool connected to your agency is to provide your email address. So let's provide one here. We submit, bingo, and we're ready to go. So now we're able to execute actions directly from the workflow. So guys, if you ever have any question, feel free to reach out. We have a very dedicated team who's also available 24/7 to answer to all your questions. If you like this video at some point, don't forget to give some thumbs up and thanks for watching.